there of the number 58. Oh, man, he crashes right in front of everybody. Does Max Toth. He got off out into the dirt. I do not know.
Oh, he slowed down there, too. Oh, no! It takes out Jody Berry with him.
Peterson, this is a good sign. No! Gagne is down! Gagne is down on the exit of turn number 2. You can see now everybody's going to be going every direction. Oh.
Nowhere to go.
The front end dropped off into the grass, into the dirt. Now Cody Wyman doing everything he can. Look at Max Toth staring right at the number plate. And Cody Wyman runs over both of his legs.